Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the 2-Minute Tuesdays. Today I'm going to take a couple of minutes to introduce a feature we recently introduced in the platform, which is the new table view for your library. So you're probably already aware and familiar with the library view, where you can see all your uploaded models and perform several actions using the context menu on the cards. But you might have noticed that now you can switch to another mode, which allows you to have a more compact way to visualize your list of models, still perform the same number of actions, but also do things that were previously only possible in the edit page. So, for example, something that you can do is to directly edit the name of some models from this table. But also other properties, the visibility, public or private, or even organization if you're part of an organization, and enable or disable embedding and backend API directly from the table. Once one of these properties is enabled, you can actually also directly generate and copy an embedding ticket or backend API ticket from the table as well, which is a big shortcut. The second thing you can do from this table, which makes it more convenient, is that you can perform operations on several models at the same time. This is especially interesting, for example, if you go to your pending tab and you might have several models or upload attempts that did not work. And in that case, you can select several models at the same time and click on delete to delete them all at once. There's other things you can do for several models at the same time. If I go back to the library, here you can also update all these settings here. You can update them for several models at the same time. So if I go to edit properties, I can switch the visibility to public for all the models. I can enable or disable embedding, and this will be applied to all of them at the same time. So that's it for today. If you have any questions about this feature or any other feature, you can go to our forum or visit ShapeDiver.com. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll get many more videos like this. So you are welcome to do so. Thank you and see you next time.